Hey guys, what's up? I got a Cobra 75 all-road CB radio. It's something new and really nice. It's wireless, waterproof, it has Bluetooth and also the weather alert. Meanwhile, it has FM mode as well, which is really nice. So the other thing which is really cool is, the microphone connects to the main component, to the transceiver, wirelessly. It's really easy to install. So here's the guide. I'm pretty sure I can install it without reading the guide, but yeah, let's take a quick look. Okay, here's the handset, the transceiver. I call it the black box. The power cord and also the mounting hardware. There you go, the transceiver or the black box. The good thing about this is that it's waterproof, so you can install it anywhere you want, outside your truck, so you don't care about the water, dust, anything. So here is a USB port, so you can in order to install or insert the microphone or the handset. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, it's the cap, so preventing the water and dust. Let's look at the microphone or the handset. Wow, it's a little big, I think, although I have tiny hands, but still, yeah, I feel comfortable. Okay, good. Nice constellations, options, AM and FM, the menu option, escape, and also the memory, the CB and the weather channel, the volume, the squelch, and also channel 9 and 19, which is pretty easy. So you can switch to 9 and 19 pretty easy. The other thing is the hardware. Oh, it has a power adapter as well. So there you go. The handset is equipped with the USB port, so it has a power adapter as well. So let's go and install it. I have antennas. So the good thing about the Volvo truck is that on both sides it has CB antennas on the driver's side and also the passenger side. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so although I have enough room for the CB radio, but for now I'm gonna install it. I previously installed the power cord, so just make sure to insert the red wire to red and also the black to black. I mean the positive and the negative, otherwise it's gonna damage your radio or the fuse. So here's the antenna. Good. The antenna cable. Come on, the antenna cable. Oh god, it's a little short. The cable is a little short, so there you go. So the power cord, so it's waterproof, so basically you don't need to worry about the water, dust, so you can install it anywhere. For now I'm installing this radio to my truck. Later on maybe I can move it to my passenger car. A trucker will always remain a trucker, so I'm gonna use the standard CB radio for my truck, which is pretty big and fixed right here. yeah, this much easy. It's installed. For now it's gonna be this way. Later on I'm gonna secure it right here. Previously I had a Bearcat 980 SSB. Yeah, it fits here very exactly. Okay, oh, the handset, I like it really, it's nice. So I have a USB port right here. I can insert it right here with the power adapter, which is inside the box. So I can plug it right here, or I have another idea. Let's put it right here. I have another idea. There you go. I have a USB port. USB port here. It's much more easier. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. In case if you do not have a USB port, a 12-volt adapter, so you can insert it, you can plug it to the black box as well. So still you don't have to worry about the water because it's waterproof. So you plug it right here to the black box, then you secure it. For now I'm gonna give me a second. So don't worry about the cap, so not to lose it. I plug it right here for now. I have antennas on both sides, so I'm hopeful that they are calibrated. Otherwise I have to calibrate and see the SWR. Let's go and turn it on. Let's turn it on. I think it connects to the transceiver automatically. Otherwise I have to read the... Oh! Connected! That much easy. Let's go to channel 1 and see the... One more thing about this radio, that it has a built-in SWR meter, so it gives you the opportunity to calibrate your CB antennas. Let's go to channel 1. Channel 1. See the SWR meter right here. 1, 2, 3. Channel 1, volume. Okay, volume 7 is good. Let's see the SWR. Oh, I'm not one flat. It's gonna be like maybe 1.5. Yeah, maybe 1.5. It's a little high, but I think it's gonna be good. Later on I will calibrate my CB antennas. Let's go to channel 40. Channel 40. It's one flat. Channel 1. It's like 1.5, but not acceptable, but good. For now it's not okay, but kind of okay. So it means, so here's the tip. I'm higher on channel 1 rather than channel 40. It means my antenna is a little short, so I have to make it long. On the other hand, if SWR meter is higher on channel 40 rather than channel 1, it means that the antenna is long, so you have to make it short. For now it's okay for me. Later on I'll calibrate this. Let's go to channel 19 and check it out. Alright guys, I installed a microphone holder. It's much more easier right now. Let's check it out if anyone's out there. Channel 19, volume. Squelch. It's automatic on squelch, okay. Breaker 19, can anyone copy and give me a quick check on this radio please? Over.
Radio's working, man. I hear you just fine.
Hey Batty, am I transmitting loud and clear? Go ahead.
Loud and clear.
Thank you so much. I've got a Cobra 75 all-road. It's something new. I just installed it in my truck. So thank you for your response.
No problem, man. It'll come in handy for you.
I'm wondering if you got a couple of minutes. Have you got FM on your radio? Over.
Yep.
Can we try the FM once, please?
Don't have that, I don't think.
Say again, please.
I'm losing you, bud. I'm hitting the highway. A good one.
Okay, good. Thank you. Have a good day.